Asteroid Shot with Insta360 camera. No drone, no problem. Let's go. What you need is the invisible stick, or even better, use the 3-meter extended selfie stick. Prepare your Insta360 camera, and record in 360 video mode using the highest resolution at 30 frames per second, and follow these steps. Record a single take video from below, at eye level, and above your head. Hold each for about 5 to 10 seconds. Now open Insta360 Studio, drag and drop the file. Trim the video to remove the unnecessary parts. We will create the first keyframe at the beginning of the video when the camera is below. Set to Mega View, Distortion Control to 0, FOV Control to 75 degrees. Add another keyframe when the position is at eye level. Set FOV Control to 120 degrees. Add another keyframe when it is above your head. Then change the view to Tiny Planet. And set FOV Control to 90 degrees or closer to 75 degrees. Add another keyframe a few seconds after that. Then set the pan angle to the right or left 360 degrees. Set FOV Control to 120 degrees. The final keyframe at the end of the video. Set FOV Control to 150 degrees. Add fade in, fade out effects to each transition. Except for the last one, use Smooth Dissolve instead. Play to see the edited result. Then export according to the resolution and format you want. And here are other results using the same technique.